State potency, okay, conversion of trituration into liquid potency. Okay, so I told you ki what we are converting 3C to 4C. Okay, that is state potency because we are not jumping any potency. Okay, we are directly going from 3C to 4C. Okay, that is the state potency. Okay, but when we are making 6x to 8x, okay, that is called as a jumping potency. Okay, because we have just overlapped or left the 7x. Okay, that's why it is called as a jumping potency. Okay, and fluxion, I told you fluxion potency is a conversion. Fluxion means changing of state. Okay, means from solid state to liquid state. Okay, so this is the fluxion. Okay, you can tell fluxion potency is of two types. Okay, one is state potency, one is jumping potency. Okay, so normally these are asked as a short note. Okay, sometimes it is asked jumping potency, sometimes state potency, sometimes fluxion potency. Okay, so just it should be clear to you. Okay. Then, as per Bert of London, okay, means just he has given one idea. Okay, Bert is, you will get many books. Okay, of Bert, you will get many other books of Bert. Okay, he has written Physiology of Homeopathic Materia Medica and many other books also he has written. Okay, so, as per Bert of London, 7x potency can be prepared from its previous 6x trituration. Okay, so what was the issue? Issue was the dissolving. Okay, suppose 6x, okay, 7x, 5 minims of distilled water and 5 minims of alcohol you are taking, 10 minims. Okay, 10 minims. Dr. Henneman was saying in 10 minims that 1 grain of previous potency, that is 6x potency, will not dissolve. Okay, so but Bert is telling that this is possible. Okay, so we will see what he is telling. Okay, as per Bert of London, 7x potency can be prepared from its previous 6x trituration. Okay, method 1, one part of 6x triturations of the requisite drug is taken in a new well cleaned round file and 9 parts of purified water is added to it. Then 10 downwards strokes are given which end in a jerk. Then one part of the 7x potency is taken and mixed with 9 parts of the alcohol and 10 downwards strokes are given. Now 8x potency is prepared. Okay, so means he is telling if you will put 9 parts, okay, 9 parts of alcohol, okay, 9 part of distilled water, okay, means 9 minims or 9 drops, it may be dissolved. Okay, but actually this theory was not success later on and we are still studying about that. Okay, 6x to 8x. Okay, but Bert was just means claiming he can do. Okay, and he has just given 1 grain and 9 part of distilled water or plain water you can use. Okay, but this theory was not so much popular. Okay, so if anybody will ask, okay, normally to at first BHMS level nobody asks, but if anybody will ask, okay, what is Bird's concept regarding 7x potency, so you can tell. Okay, just he was telling ki 1 grain of 6x potency with 9 parts or 9 minims of purified water is added, and if you are giving 10 downwards a stroke, it will be just 7x, and which will be feasible. Okay, but as per Dr. Henneman, it was not possible. Okay, because in so much little water or little amount of drugs, little amount of vehicle, it will not dissolve. Okay, now next we will go to precautions in trituration. What precautions we have to keep in trituration? Okay, room should be clean and of moderate temperature and dust proof for carrying the process of trituration. Okay, always. Okay, when any pharmaceutical company, I have shown you video of pharmaceutical company there, how much cleanliness is important. Okay, for the preparation of medicine. Okay, so room should be clean and of moderate temperature and dust proof for carrying the process of trituration. Okay, the process must be done in a warm and dry atmosphere. Okay, here like in Shillong, okay, approximately like whole year. Okay, weather is like a moisture is too much. Okay, like weather is always like a cloudy or rainy. Okay, so it is little difficult to prepare here drugs. Okay, because it will just like become a stick. Okay, means they will be in not so much free form. Okay, this sugar of milk or drug material, they will not be in so much free form. Okay, they will just absorb the moisture from environment. Okay, so the process must be done in warm and dry atmosphere. Utensils should be perfectly clean and odorless. Okay, what utensils we are using, that should be perfectly clean and it should be orderless. The mortar and pestle must be unglazed or made rub by rubbing them with uh, moistened clean white sand. Okay, means you have to use the clean white sand, and after that you have to just properly rub the thing so that it will be unglazed and properly it can help for the preparation of process of trituration. Okay, means it should be friction should be there. Okay, the mortar and pestle should be washed properly by ether. It should be wiped dry, and then a little amount of alcohol should be burnt inside. Okay, I told you why need of burning with the alcohol. Okay, because it just make it like disinfections or like sterilization process. Okay, after each trituration it completed, all the utensil must be properly cleaned and dried for the next one. Okay, means when you are using once, okay, you have to properly clean it, dry it up for the next one. Okay, then next we will go. It is systematically and symmetrically a rubbing process, so any deviation from this can not bring success for the process. Okay, means if you are not doing proper process of trituration, then it is very difficult to get the proper potency of the medicine. Okay. Okay, then next eighth part is must not lift up the pestle or mortar. Okay, means like sometimes it happens. Okay, you are keeping one hand pestle and one hand mortar, and you are doing like that. It is not properly. One base should be there. Okay, like a slab should be there, and properly on good surface you have to do this process. Okay, the pestle must be fully pressed down with the firm grips and thumb on the top, and it is to be moved in a anti-clockwise direction. This is convenient for a right-handed person in a circular fashion, going away from the center in a spiral and returning back to the center. This gives chance to the practically all the particles get rubbed uniformly. Okay, so like it is different for right-handed and left-handed person. Okay, like normally if I will ask just one question, ki, which in which process we need more energy, pulling or pushing? Pulling or pushing?
Pushing.
Pushing. Okay, and pulling? Pulling we need less energy. Okay, pushing we need more energy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so like this only what will happen ki when you will do trituration. Okay, you have to see you are doing anti-clockwise or clockwise. Okay, so when suppose, okay, this is your we have kept a motor and pestle. Okay, suppose you are doing anti-clockwise. Okay, so what will be more, what work you will do more? Okay, just imagine this process on your both of your hand. Okay, which what pushing will be more or pulling will be more? If you are right, if you are right-handed person, okay, right-handed person, or you are just doing an anti-clockwise, okay, which will be more, pulling or pushing?
Sir, pulling.
Pulling. Okay, we will try, just if we will do. Okay, so from here we are just pulling, and pushing is very simple. Okay, so approximately we are doing two-third we are doing pulling, and one-third we are doing one-third we are doing pulling, and we are doing two-third we are doing pushing. Okay, so pushing is more and pulling is less. Am I correct? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so pulling is less and pushing is more. Okay, we will push more, na? If you will do, you will push more, and we will pull less. Okay, the pulling will be more. Okay, so here this by the pulling process we need more energy, and pushing uh, sorry, I think I am confused. Okay, when I will push, okay, pushing will just I give more energy, and pulling I will just give less energy. Okay, so these questions are normally asked by the examiner. Okay, yeah, key like in which process, if they will just ask you to just imagine a process. Okay, like I suppose, or like they will ask, sometimes they will ask you, you are right-handed or left-handed. Okay, if you will tell I am right-handed or left-handed. Okay, so then they will second they will ask you are doing clockwise, or they will ask you anti-clockwise. Okay, so then they will ask, okay, which process will take more energy, or like that. Okay, so just this we will imagine for the left-handed person, okay, who is doing anti clockwise. Okay, now just imagine one left-handed person. Okay, left-handed person, he is doing this. So now which will take which has which will be more like pulling or pushing? Just see, left-handed person. Okay, right, in your right hand there motor is there. Okay, now what you are doing a clockwise. Okay, clockwise, so what will be more, pulling or pushing? Anybody? Just imagine this process.
Sir, clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise, clockwise. I am telling left-handed person clockwise.
Pulling.
Pulling. Okay, we have done this. Okay, then push. Pulling to very less time it will take. Now we are pushing for 2/3. Okay, 2/3, and pulling just we are doing 1/3. Okay, just imagine this process. Left-handed person and clockwise. Which will be more? Just imagine in your hand. Okay, right hand, you think like you have kept one this motor. Okay, and pestle is in your left hand, and you are doing clockwise trituration. Just think it. Which will be more, pulling or pushing? Anybody?
Pulling, sir.
Pulling.
Pulling.
How?
सर लेफ्ट हैंडेड सर पुल ही होगा ना लेफ्ट में तो देखो मैं तो कर पा रहा हूँ इमेजिन सर
Just do left right hand you are keeping one motor. Okay, left hand you are keeping one pestle, and you are doing clockwise.
यस सर क्लॉक क्लॉकवाइज क्लॉकवाइज सर
Clockwise.
पुश होगा क्लॉकवाइज पुश पुशिंग सर
Clockwise. Okay, so just when
Pushing.
exam, okay, so just think this thing.
यस
When
सर
examiner will ask in exam, okay, be careful for all the process. Left-handed, right-handed, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Okay, so normally these are asked. Okay, which will be more? Okay, so pulling or pushing. Okay, so here I have not seen, means how many examiner came, they have not asked. Okay, but like when I was studying in MD, okay, that time examiner asked me this. Okay, so like that it depends which will be more, pulling or pushing. Okay, so you have to imagine the process and you have to do this. Okay, next we will see. Okay, in a circular fashion going everyone understood na process?
Yes, sir.
यस सर
Okay, okay, we will, when class will open, okay, means so at that time practically we will do. Okay, so it will be more clear to you. Okay, and you can try at your home, like with your bowls. Okay, like in kitchen you just try with bowls also. Okay, then next is the दिनकर. क्या हॉस्पिटल में है क्या?
सॉरी सर वो
ये
हॉस्पिटल नहीं है सर
everything will be recorded. Okay, I will just put in YouTube. Okay,
सॉरी सर
then okay, this gives chance to practically all the particles to get rubbing uniformly. Okay, then 10th is in trituration, plumbum, the pestle which should used softly. Okay, plumbum means lead. Okay, plumbum already you know lead. So for lead, which type of things you have to use? The pestle should use should be soft. Okay, softly we have to use. Okay, so that is very specific. Okay, that will be more important for your competitive exam, not for subjective exams. Okay, then in making the first trituration of mercury, graphites and plumbum, okay, double time should be taken. Okay, in trituration, Ferromet, the motor must be kept warm for removing moisture with trituration. Okay, these are just like for particular material. Okay, so that is not a common thing, okay, related with your trituration, but advised using of a small amount of alcohol for moistening the sugar of milk during trituration, as it will save the trouble of scrubbing and stirring. Okay, so it is just bird's opinion. Okay, it is not Dr. Honeyman opinion. Okay. So now we will go to merits of trituration. Okay, what is the merits? Okay, when question will come, long question. Okay, trituration. Okay, so you sometimes question may be like, question will directly come right in detail about the potentization. One question. Okay, long question. Again, question may come as a long question right in detail about the succussion process. Okay, now one more thing will come in detail. Okay, like write in detail about the process of trituration. Okay, so all these things at that time you have to also write merits, demerits. Okay, sometimes short note comes write in detail about the process of trituration. Okay, like merits of trituration. Okay, so each part is important as a like exam questions. Okay, because this trituration chapter is very different from other chapters. Okay, this is not common like a other system of medicine. Okay, to be careful for this. Okay, till now we have studied many chapters. Okay, most of the chapters are common in all the system of medicine. Okay, like I can give example, pharmacopoeia of pharmacy is important in all the system of medicine. Okay, then we have discussed the cleaning, that is common in every system of medicine. Sources of drug, common in every system of medicine. Laboratory methods, common in every system of medicine. Okay, vehicles, common in every system of medicine except some. Okay, except some. Okay, in drug, sources of drug also except some, most of the are common. Okay, so but this process of trituration, potentization is like not common. Okay, it is only unique to homeopathic pharmacy. That's why this chapter is important, and in any form you will get question from this chapter. Okay, next is, by the process of trituration drug substances can be infinitely divided. Okay, insoluble substances in liquid vehicles become soluble after trituration. The medicinal property of the drug which remains latent or dormant by the process become active. Okay, already we have talked the key, like in cases of silica, silicia. Okay, in cases of natramur. Okay, common salt. Okay, these are not medicinal in a dormant form. Okay, dormant you understand, na? Like we just talk about the seeds. Okay, seeds, dry seeds are dormant form. Okay, then when they get like soil, water, okay, and environment, they become a like a, they become a plant or tree. Okay, so like that. So this is some drugs are in dormant form, but when they give a favorable trituration and succussion process, they become a good homeopathic medicine. Okay, the medicinal property of drug which remains latent or dormant by the process becomes active. Okay, curative powers of drugs are increased by this process by reducing the quality of drug, but the qualitative power is increased. Okay, already we have discussed this quantity when we do trituration process, quantity is less, but quality of that particular drug increases. Okay, certain drugs are insoluble in liquid vehicles. That's why we do the process of trituration. Okay, so there is no native methods but the process of trituration. Okay, now we will see the next part, that is the examples. Okay, different examples are there. Dry medicinal substances class 7. Okay, arsenic album, calcium carbonicum, antimony okay, antimony crudum. Okay, these are short forms. Okay, if you are not knowing, just don't uh, don't fear or don't take tension. Okay, slowly it will come. Okay, when you will study materia medica, okay, slowly all the things will come. Okay, and at last in fourth year when you will repertory, you will need like this very much. Okay, this is small these short forms. Okay, arsenic album, arsenicum album. Okay, ars alb. Okay, calcarea carbonicum, antimony crudum. Okay, ferrum metallicum. Okay, carbo anamalis, graphitis, argentum nitricum, alumina. Okay, carbo vegetalis. Okay, corylum rubrum, kali carb. Okay, zincum metallicum. Okay, so like that. Liquid medicine substances class 8, already we know. Lachesis is there, Elaps is there, Crotellus is there, Snaja is there, Viper is there. Okay, Apium virus is there, Bufforana is there. Bufforana is a one frog. Okay, one type of wild frog. Okay, then Croton tick is there, Lysine is there. Okay, Lysine already you know. Okay, Verulinum is there, Vaccinum is there, Melandrinum is there, Petroleum is there. Okay, these are the liquids, but these are not soluble in the alcohol or water. Okay, so the again repetition. Okay, this part is okay. Now we will go to next part. What is the means profit of trituration? Okay, fresh vegetable and animal substances class 9th. Okay, anacardium is there, agaricus is there, melendrinum is there, medorinum is there, syphilinum is there, anacardium is there, sorinum is there, carcinosinum is there, blata orientalis is there, and blata americana is there. Okay, now by trituration of surface tension of drug is increased enormously. Okay, surface tension increasing means just they will just more surface is visible. Okay, then by increasing of the surface area and fine division, the absorption quality, colloidal properties, and catalytic properties will also be increased. So all these things you have studied in 11th and 12th. Okay, like this surface tension. Okay, colloidal properties. Okay, all these things already know. Okay, properties already you know. Okay, then demerits of trituration. Now, okay, what is the demerits? Okay, we everyone just praise their science. Okay, so what is actually demerits we will see. Okay, the process is a very long. Okay, definitely you will be agree with me. Okay, for baking one potency you need 1 hour. Okay, from 1x to 2x. Okay, 1c to 2c you need 1 hour. Okay, the process is very long, long one. Okay, the time taken and the labor spent is too much. some are some are the opinion that there is no necessity of dividing the vehicles into three parts, which experimental evidence that suggests that by trituration the whole vehicle with the medicines at a strength gives the same result. Okay, this is just a different like schools or different areas. Okay, scientists or like European Committee of Homeopathy, American Committee of Homeopathy. Okay, Asian committees of homeopathies. Okay, so these persons just their opinion, there is no need to divide in three parts, 33, 33, 33 at a time, just keep all the 99 parts. Okay, so like that. So they are just telling you it will give the same result. Okay, then but what is the process? We have to follow the process. Okay, this is just a opinion. Okay, not officially. Okay, always we have to follow HPI. Okay, when we are doing a practice or we are making medicine in India, we have to only and only follow homeopathic pharmacopoeia of India. Okay, and time to time if any changes in that pharmacopoeia, that also we can follow. Okay, then if soluble. Okay, if soluble substances are triturated in order to increase the drug power, it is observed that when they meet some water medium, the molecules which has some ionic changes. Okay, trituration is really intended to have a maximum distribution of the particles in a vehicle and not any other changes. Okay, so this is just again an opinion ki when anything is partially soluble and you are doing a trituration, so what will happen? Okay. Next is the one real problem is time taking. Okay, 1 hour it is taking. Time taking is a big issue. Okay, then as the sugar of milk has got aldehyde. Okay, RHCO. Okay, properties it found to reduce some substances like mercury compounds during trituration. Okay, it is very specific with mercury. In such cases, cane sugar, which has got less aldehyde property, will proven to be a greater vehicle. Okay, if sugar is there, okay, that may be okay if like it is possible. Okay, because any vehicle you can use. Okay, though sugar of milk is appreciably hard and gritty, it doesn't cause the uh, combination of the substances which are harder than itself, like some hard metals. This is controlled by grinding and sieving the substances beforehand and changing the vehicle if necessary. Okay, sometimes if some hard material is there, okay, it is like how you 1 hour will be sufficient for that. Okay, that is also a one problem. Okay, but we have to follow the process. Okay, modern method of trituration. Okay, what is actually going on the pharmaceutical company? Okay, just a glimpse we will get. Okay, a little key what is the actually going on in pharmaceutical company and nowadays what we are doing. Okay, in general process of potentization, the quantity of the trituration cannot be increased properly without modifying other conditions. Okay, but in doing So the quality of the resulting trituration may be inferior. But due to increased demand of trituration and better homeopathic medicine, as well as to increase the productivity and to minimize the cost of product, okay, mechanical devices are being employed nowadays. In this method all sorts of measures are taken to retain the quality. Okay, already we have seen in that video, okay, how trituration process is done, okay, in the pharmaceutical companies. Okay, because if you will do by hand you will get very less quantity and more manpower. Okay, it is not possible. Okay, too much of expenditure of money is there, then the rate of medicine will be very high. Okay, and it is not it is easy for a common pupil. Okay, so that's why these mechanical methods are done. Okay, trituration process. In this context, the HPI, Homeopathic Pharmacopoeia of India, directs that it is not feasible to give strict rule for such mechanical appliances in all their independent details. Okay, so just a mechanical process. Okay, drug inspectors or people who are concerned with the just inspection of pharmaceutical company. Okay, they just see and if they are satisfied. Okay, because not very specific rules are not given in HPI regarding the mechanical method of trituration. Okay, that is written here. Okay, not very, it is not a feasible to give a strict rule for such a mechanical appliances in all their independent details. Okay, nowadays trituration is done by machine in which the motor and pestles are triturated by machine. Okay, so that already we have seen in the video. Okay, so now till here you have any doubt, anything you want to ask, any query, any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will go to next part. Okay, that is the succussion process. Okay, trituration, I told you this is important. Okay, it may come as a long question. Okay, now succussion. Okay, a little also you have you know about succussion because we discussed in the process of this different scales also. Okay, for liquid, for solid, the succussion is done for liquid. Okay. Definition: it is a process of potentization of medicinal substances which are soluble in liquid vehicles, particularly in alcohol, by downwards friction. Okay, downwards stroke we give. The term succussion comes from the Latin words, okay, suction, suctions, okay, suctures means sacking up. Okay, so normally you have seen in like liquid medicines, okay, sec well before use. Okay, it is written in like if you have seen cup syrups, you have seen any other syrups, okay, like tonics, okay, different syrups. So it is clearly it is written sec well before use. Okay, so here just succussion means in Latin words, okay, sacking up. Okay, so we are just doing the process of sacking when we are giving 10 downwards stroke. Okay, this is the process of sacking up. Okay, the vehicles for succussion, generally alcohol is used in most of the cases, as in class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4 and class 6 of the Hahnemann old method. Okay, except in cases where the medicinal substances are only soluble in water. Okay, class 5, and only soluble in alcohol like class 6. Okay, A and B already you know. Okay, these two we have seen in previous chapters. In such cases it is only after a certain degree of attenuations has been attended that is made in alcohol. Substances taken for succussion. Okay, the medicinal substances which are soluble in alcohol or purified water are taken for succussion. Okay, so already we have discussed कि purified water and alcohol is used for the process of succussion. Okay, then substances taken for then principle. Okay, what is the principle? One part by volume of the drug is previous potency or medicine is mixed with the 9 or 99 part. Okay, as per the scales, 9 part for decimal scale, 99 part for centesimal scale. Okay, then volume of the vehicle and 10 downwards strokes uniform strengths are applied. Okay, you have to remember how many strokes, 10 downwards stroke. Okay, process, the required amount of drug and vehicles are taken in a new utilized well cleaned round and properly labeled glass file, keeping 2 by 3rd of the file empty. Okay, always remember. Okay, 2 by 3rd of the file empty. It is little confusing, okay, because previously we have studied 2 by third will be filled and 1 by third will be empty, okay, if you remember, okay. So because 2 by third will be filled, okay, not empty, okay. This is due to the provided effect friction. In old method, the drug is taken according to the drug power. The file is then caught tightly. The bottom of the file is placed on the little finger, okay. This process again you remember we will do later on before exam, okay. Like again this process is important, how to keep file in hand, okay. Many times examiner they ask, okay, keep how to keep this is due to the providing effective friction. In old method the drug is taken according to the drug power. The file is then caught tightly. The bottom of the file is placed on the little finger of the right hand. The thumb of the same hand should be tightly held with other finger. The 10 downwards strokes are given, okay. So this we will see, okay. I told in different scales also this process we will do, okay. Now the stroke should be forceful stroke, okay. Then successive strokes should be successive. Each strokes end in a jerk, okay. Jerk should be there, okay, from uniform distance, okay. All the 10 strokes should be from uniform stroke, okay. That's why when we are looking at video, okay, I told you how they will decide the uniform, okay. That lady was doing that process of jerking, okay, like that, okay. So we will see different method, okay, when there will be classes, okay. So I will show you the different method, okay. Then force will be with uniform distance, with uniform strength, okay. Every strokes should have a equal power, okay. That is called as a uniform strength, okay. The hand enclosed the file should go beyond the level of shoulder, okay. Beyond the level of shoulder, okay, but not beyond the level of upper limit of the pinna, okay. Means like this, okay, like this, okay, like this, okay. Not below the pinna, okay. Ear pinna, this is our pinna, so that we will do, okay. I will demonstrate in class, okay. The process, okay, the product is the potency, okay. Level of the upper limit of the product is the potency, okay. Then note we will see regarding the number of strokes, okay. This is just regarding the number of stroke. Why 10 downwards stroke, okay. This is a common question, okay, among students, okay. Hahnemann's ideas regarding the number of stroke to be given for each potency. Hahnemann himself has changed his mind several times. Remember it, okay. He has changed his mind several times, okay. In the fifth edition of Organon of Medicine, he used only two strokes. Okay, only two strokes he used to give. Okay, but later on used 10 strokes. Okay, in chronic disease. Okay, so it was his history. Okay, first he just used to give two strokes, then he used 10 strokes. Okay, in American homeopathic pharmacopoeia and German homeopathic pharmaco they still advocate 10 strokes, okay. In HPI also we are doing the 10-day stroke, okay. So if examiner will ask American homeopathic pharmacopoeia, German homeopathic pharmacopoeia, okay, what about them, okay, so you can tell they are also doing 10 advocate or advising the 10 downwards stroke, okay. So modified potency techniques we will see next time, okay, tomorrow, okay. So till here any question you have, anything you want to ask? Hmm?
No, sir.
Okay.